Thanks for joining us. I'm Yantolu. A man who was attacked in 2013, who suffered severe head trauma, claims the alleged attacker recently fled the island without having to serve out his sentence. Here's his story. This is the street where it all happened. A petty argument took place inside a shop located on one of the back streets in the heart of downtown Oranjestad. Lorraine Gibson says he got into an argument with two women inside the store. At one point of the heated discussion, one of the females rushed up to strangle him. He claims his hands were full, so he had to kick her away instead of using his hands. Authorities were called to control the situation.
Okay, they call the police. They tell the police that I kick her. They didn't tell the police that she assaulted me. One of her friends do that. And the police came and said I must apologize to her. I said, but she assaulted me, and anyway, it's like they didn't want to hear my story. So, okay, I apologized to her and even hug her just to forget about the whole thing. Anyway, the next day, I thought the whole thing was finished. The next day, her boyfriend came from behind me and attacked me with a hammer. Hit me over my head here, broke my jaw, hit me twice, broke my eye bone over here also. I was in coma for a couple of hours, and I was in the hospital for 8 days.
Peace was made, so Gibson thought. Gibson suffered severe head trauma from the attack from the day after. The alleged attacker, Dave Brown, was sentenced to 9 months in prison, but according to Lorraine, he has witnessed his attacker released on the streets.
So he was out all over. I passed him many times on the street, having fun, drinking, dancing, having fun, like nothing happened, So just yesterday, I heard someone told me that he fled the island. And last night again, someone called me, told me he fled the island for true. So I can't imagine how this happened, because they're supposed to block him at the airport that he don't go through because he had a case here to deal with.
Gibson's sources are informing him that the attacker has actually left the island altogether. The victim is flabbergasted at this information and wants answers.
I'm really upset about that, and I really would need this man to come back, because there's a lot of things that just more than just serving a sentence. Because I'm still suffering from inside with pain that I'm still going through right now. My bone, I had a plastic inside here, a piece of iron over here. So, you have to face up to some penalty for this, what you have done to me.
Lorraine Gibson came forward for the interview because he wants justice. This is a developing story. 15 on 15 is working on attaining a confirmation on the status of the alleged attacker.